guys, I'm Shashi and welcome to Bachelor's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to prepare idli in microwave. Sounds crazy, right? But it is possible. Yeah. All you need is idli mix, a microwave safe mold, and some butter or ghee, and of course a microwave. First, you make a thick paste of your idli mix by adding some water if necessary. It should be properly thick enough to put it into a mold. Yeah. And next, add some salt. Some right amount of salt needed. Yeah. Once you add the salt, you just thoroughly mix it. Right, yeah, this is done now. Okay, now next part is wash the mold. Yeah, I know nothing will be clean in Bachelor's Kitchen. Not bad. Yeah. Yes, about the mold, you can use any mold which is microwave safe. I'm using just a packet rice container, and best thing is it's free with the rice. Yeah. Next thing is just wash it. Yeah. And then just clean it off. Add some butter in the bowl. Yeah. Just add it however you guys want, so that it won't stick to the bowl, so that idli won't stick to the bowl. Yeah, you can just add it. Right, now put the idli mix into the bowl. Yeah, it's so easy. Okay, great. Yeah, make sure it is not too thick. Yeah, because if it is too thick, in the microwave, the outer part will become dry and inner part will remain uncooked. Yeah. Now, just put it in the oven for say 2 minutes. I'm just putting it for 2 minutes. Yeah. Then start it. And now comes the hardest part. Just wait until it gets cooked. Yeah. Those who don't have idli mix available with them, don't worry guys. In the next part, I'll be showing you guys how to prepare idli mix from the scratch. Let me see it. Oh, lovely. See? Can you guys see it? Yeah. This is the idli. Okay. And just wait for say half a minute. You can just pour it into your, that's it. See? This is the idli. Nice and smooth. You can just check the plumpiness of the idli. So soft and very tasty. Make sure you have some chutney or sambar with it, because idli goes very well with the chutney and sambar. This. Keep watching this space, because I'll be uploading more and more videos for the bachelors out there. Don't worry guys, it's very easy to cook. That's all from this side. Thanks for watching Bachelor's Kitchen.